1C, third bit, third problem I am doing. Write down the values of first bit 2 root 3 whole square. 2 is a rational number and root 3 is an irrational number. You know what is rational number means? P by Q form. What is irrational means? The number which is not having perfect square. So easily if you identify which one is rational number and which is irrational number. So here whole square meaning is root 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. This already we know. 2 2s are 4 and we are having root 3 into root 3. So 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. This is the way of finding the value. Next, coming to the second bit. 3 by 2 root 2 whole square meaning 3 by 2 root 2 into 3 by 2 root 2. Now root 3 into root 3 9. Root 2 into 2 4. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4 into root 2 into root 2. That is equal to 9 by 4 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 goes in 4 2 times. So 9 by 2. If you want to change into mixed fraction, 4 1 by 2. Divide 9 2 4s are 8. 1 4 1 by 2. Next, coming to the third one. Are you able to follow? Now 5 plus root 3 whole square. It is in which form? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Are you able to follow? Here these are one term only. Here two terms, binomial. This is monomial. Now A square means 5 square plus 2AB, 2 into 5 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square. That is equal to 5 5s are 25 plus 2 5s 10 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3. Meaning of root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 25 plus 10 root 3 in plus, this is plus 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 10 root 3. This is the answer. Fourth problem. They told to find the value of root 6 minus 3 whole square. What is root 6? Irrational number. What is 3? Rational number. You may ask, sir, rational number means P by Q. 3 by 1 is there. 3 means 3 by 1. So, now it is in the form of A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So, that is equal to root 6 whole square minus 2 into root 6 into 3 plus 3 whole square. That is equal to root 6 into root 6 minus 2 3s are 2 3 6 root 6 plus 3 3s 9. Root 6 into root 6 is 6 minus 6 root 6 plus 9. Now 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 minus 6 root 6. Coming to next, fifth one. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 whole square. That is equal to 3 3 is 9 plus 2 3 6. 6 2 is 12. 12 root 5 plus, what is the meaning of 2 root 5? 2 root 5 into 2 root 5. Keep in a bracket. Here 9 plus 12 root 5. Now we got little bit experience. 2 2 is how much? 4 into root 5 into root 5. 5. That is equal to 9 plus 12 root 5 plus 4 5 is 20. So 29 plus 12 root 5. Able to follow? This is the way of finding the value. Next, coming to the seventh problem. Sixth problem I have to do because of lack of place. Now, what is the meaning of 3 by 2 root 2? 3 by 2 root 2 into 3 by 2 root 2. 2 times. Now, that is equal to 3 3 is 9. 2 2 is 4 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. That is equal to 9 by 8. If you want to write 1 by 8, because divide 8 goes one time, 1 by 8. Sixth problem. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is equal to root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 6 plus root 6 whole square. Now root 5 into root 5, 5. Otherwise you write root 5 into root 5. The meaning is plus 2 into, both are same orders. This is square root, that also square root. So square root of 5 into 6. If the orders are same, you can multiply. Here square root and here cube root is there, we can't multiply. Keep in mind, both are square roots, we are multiplying. Plus here root 6 into root 6. That is equal to root 5 into root 5, 5 plus 2 root 30. 5 6 are 30 plus root 6 into root 6 is 6. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 2 root 30. Coming to the next, eighth one. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. That is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 5 square minus 2ab plus b square, 6 root 3 whole square. Here you got to be careful. Whole square. Now 5 5 25 minus 2 5 10. 10 6 are 60. 60 root 3 plus 6 root 3 into 6 root 3. The meaning is, that is equal to 25 minus 60 root 3 plus 3, 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. Root 3 into 3, 3. That is equal to 25 minus 60 root 3 plus 36 3s 108. Now 25 plus 108, 133. 133 minus 60 root 3. So this is the way of simplifying the problem. Fourth problem. State giving reason whether the given number is rational or irrational. 3 plus root 5. 3 is rational number and 5 is irrational number, not a perfect square. We can't add a rational with irrational. So it is irrational number. What number? Irrational number. A rational number we can add with a rational number, and we can add a irrational. We can't add irrational with the irrational also. Here also, rational number, irrational number, irrational number. Next, addition, multiplication, division. Root 6 by 4. This is irrational. This is rational. We can't divide. If it is 6 by 4, it is a rational number. We can divide. 2 goes 3 times, 2 goes 2 times. But this is irrational. So, it is irrational. Irrational number. Irrational number. Irrational number. Now coming to the next one. 3 plus root 3 into multiplication. 3 minus root 3. It is in the form of, how it is, a plus b into a minus b. Immediately you will get formula as a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square, that is equal to 3 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now 3 3 is how much? 9. Minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. What is 6? Rational number. What is this one? Rational number. So did you understand now? Rational number. This is the way of simplifying. This is the formula we used here. Fifth problem. Show that each of the following is irrational. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 2 square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 2 2's how much? 4 plus 2 2's 4 root 5 plus root 5 into root 5, 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 4 root 5. Now rational number, here rational number and irrational. So it is irrational. If one irrational is there, the complete problem is irrational only. Next, it is in the form of a plus b again. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square. Root 5 into root 5, 5 plus 2 into root 5 into 3. Why root 5 into 3? Same order, second order, second order. So we can multiply. Plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 root 15. Again we are seeing one irrational. So this is also irrational. Coming to here, 6 by root 3 is there. Numerator and denominator you multiply with root 3. 6 root 3 by 3. 3 goes 2 times. 2 root 3. So what is 2 root 3? One is rational, another one is irrational.